Welcome to this video. Some of you already, I promised you that I'm going to show you an app that you can use to perform daily tasks, simple daily tasks, and you'll be paid. At the end of the month, you can have up to 20 to 30,000 naira or more, okay, depending on the tasks you completed. Just simple tasks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this app. Okay, this app is not on Play Store. You have to download it. I want you to click on the description area in this video and click on the link to download this app. So it's going to bring you to this page. You click on register and start airdrop. Alright, so you are going to fill in all necessary details. Okay, you're going to fill in all necessary details and then you'll be asked to download the app. Okay, I have already filled in all necessary details. I have the app in my phone, so I can't go through this process again. But you fill in all necessary details, your email, your name, your country. Please make sure you put the correct details. Then it's going to bring you to where you are going to download this app. Okay, once you've done the registration completely and you have verified your email, it's going to bring you to where you will download the app. You can download the app and then install it into your phone. Alright, so when you open the app for the first time, you are going to see something like start airdrop, or it's going to show you verify. Okay, that you should verify your account. So you are going to click on verify. If you don't see verify, you click on start airdrop and it will ask you to verify your account. Okay, now the verification here, this second verification has to do with facial verification. So when you are doing your facial verification, once it is done, just to confirm that you're not a robot, we are going to see verified. Okay, then you can go back. When you go back, you can now click on start airdrop again and you're going to see this notification, successfully started the airdrop. So these are the basics that you're going to do. Once you download the app, you register, confirm your email, open the app and do your facial verification. Then you start the airdrop. Just watch through this video to understand the process completely. So when you download the app, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, now in this case, I have already verified my app. Okay, in your own case, you're going to see verify. Alright, once you tap on the verify, what they're going to do is that they're going to do facial verification. They are going to ask you to blink your head. They're going to ask you to blink your eye, rotate your head. Okay, you just do your facial verification, and once your facial verification starts, then you can start performing the simple tasks daily. This task is just simple. For example, once I click on claim, okay, I have performed this task. All right, if I go to project, click on this claim hash. Okay, I still have 2 hours left to claim this one. But if the 2 hours is complete, you're going to see claim here, just as you saw claim previously. Alright, then you claim it. So I'm going to attach a video from the same person that explained this app to me. I'm going to attach the video he used to explain it to me to this video, and you'll see the things you need to do daily. Just like you have seen, I've already done my daily tasks. Just simple, just log in, do the claiming, and you rest. By the end of the month, you'll see that the money you have, by the time you convert it into any of the crypto, okay, you can withdraw it into your local account. The steps to do that will be explained, so just take your time and go through this video and you will understand it. Like I said earlier, use the link in the description area to sign up, and I'm also going to attach other videos that explain how this app works, the withdrawal process, and every other necessary thing you need to know. So check the description area, click on the link and sign up, then watch this video to the end, then watch other videos related to this in the description area, and you will understand how this app works perfectly.
All right. Since you have already start mining, so every day at least don't allow this um claim to get above 24. You can claim once a day, you can claim twice a day. I get it, so that in case there is a day you do not remember on time, it will not get to 25. Because once you get up to 25 hours and you have not claimed it, your mining stop. It will be suspended. Are you getting it? But if you are claiming, that means it will keep increasing, and that is how what you are mining to keep increasing. So it's better for you to claim at least 2 times a day, so that you will not be wasting what you would have earned. So it's just for you to click on this claim. Once you have done claim it, the next thing for you to do is to click on project. When you click on project, then you tap on any of it, anyone at all. Sorry, not this one. Click on the second one. This one is written test coin A. Click on the test coin A. Once you click on test coin A, you now see claim hash. Click on the claim hash and click and claim it. Are you getting it? This hash now is 50k hash. As you keep claiming, it will be increasing your mining rate. You understand?
To some of you, 20,000, 30,000 is not anything to you. I understand. But to some of you, it's quite some money, okay? It's quite some money to you. So, for those that will take it serious, in the next 30 days, I will be expecting your feedback, your positive feedback. And those that don't want to take it serious, fine and good, I understand.